Am I in the hole? You set me up for failure here?
No, actually you're not.
What are we doing here?
How would you rate your taste testing skills?
Out of a 10, probably like a 1.
A 1?
Yeah, everything tastes good to me.
Are these fresh straws, or did Ovi just use these?
So good.
I don't know. Ovi's probably better than he drinks Coke, I think, during the games.
Sprite? Diet Sprite? I don't know. What's it?
Is that Sprite? God, that's good that I got that one.
Orange Crush?
No.
No?
No clue on that one.
I don't know what that one is. Lemonade?
If I had to say one was Sprite, which one would you say?
No way. Okay, that's Sprite.
I think I should be able to get 5. I'm pretty confident. Cherry Coke? Sprite? Possibly, I might say Coke Zero. Diet Coke. And Coke. How did I do?
You got 2 out of 5.
Really? Wow.
Oreo.
Damn it.
Regular Coke?
Yes.
This is a Sprite? Lemon?
Yes.
Vanilla Coke. Yes!
Is that regular Coke? Please say it's regular Coke.
What? Can you guess what that one is?
It's gotta be regular Coke.
Yeah. Okay.
Not good.
That's Sprite for sure. That should be Diet Coke. Mm-hmm. That's a 0?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is vanilla, this is Coke, yeah. Because here was like 50% chance to guess it and I got it right.
You crushed that.
Yeah, I did.